Hussain is to watch you today playing these roles, what do you think his reaction would be? Because he was so overwhelmed with your beauty image, and he did Durga also because he saw the strength behind it. How would he have reacted now?
Oh my God, he would say, I have something more to paint. He would go, it's a fresh canvas, for him. Everything is like a fresh canvas. Like I say with you, that you have to always reinvent yourself. Every phase in your life is like a new canvas and you paint on that. So I think he was of the similar thought that for him it would have been another, uh, another pehlu kisi ka to discover that and to kind of react to, and he would tell me that I like the scene, or I didn't like it, or this was this was that, and he would he's like I said initially when we were talking that he would paint, and I said, Hussain ji, painting, what are you trying to say through this painting? He says, I'm the artist, I've painted. The interpretation has to be done by you. You have to tell me, what do you see in this painting?
But when you saw yourself in his painting, did you feel कि हाँ he's captured it perfectly?
Because a lot of people were like, oh, face nahi nazar aata hai. But it's not about the face.
But
It's
everybody
not
knows
about
you.
that beauty. It's about the presence. It's about what the presence feels like in the painting.
Huh.
It was not about like every facial expression or the eyes or the nose, or it's about the persona. That is what
Did
had
he
portrayed.
did he have anything to say when you just left everything and left and went? Was he there at that time, or had he
Yeah,
passed
he was
away?
there. No, he was there, and I was in Denver, and he said, "I have seen you as a big actor and a star, and as a wife. Now I want to see you as mother, and I want to come and visit you to Denver." So he had come to Denver and visited us just to see me around my kids, and to see me as how I am as a mother.